Hello students, in today's lecture we will be studying about preparing the accounts of a not-for-profit concern. Now we know that we have to prepare the income and expenditure account and a balance sheet. But we begin with only preparing the income and expenditure account. So we will start with problem number 4 on page 116. Problem number 4, page 116. Following is the receipts and payments account of Satara Sports Club, Satara. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2019. Receipts and payments account for the year ending 31st March 2019. Now they have given us the receipts and payments. We'll go through the receipts first. It is to balance brought down, cash in hand and cash at bank. Now this is the balance of last year or the opening balance. Then you have subscription. So subscription is given 2017-18 4,000, 18-19 which is the current year is 44,500 and 19-20 is the next year, so that is 3,500. Then we have entrance fees, donation for building fund. Then we have interest and sale of furniture. Book value is 8,000 and we have received 4,500. Now look at the payment side. On the payment side, we have salaries, we have rent, including 2,000 for 2017-18, so that is the last year. Then electricity charges, fixed deposit, which is an asset, printing and stationery, general expenses, including rupees 500 for next year. Buy sports material and buy balance carried down, cash in hand, cash at bank. So this is the closing balance. Come to the adjustments, you have to put a tick mark again in the receipts and payments account. So first is outstanding subscription for current year is rupees 4,500. So mark subscription on the receipt side. Next is outstanding rent for current year amounted to rupees 1,000. Now you will find rent on the payment side. So tick mark rent. Entrance fees are to be treated as revenue income. So mark entrance fees. And last is stock of sports material as on 1st April 2018 is 6,000. That is your opening stock, and on 31st March 2019 is rupees 14,000 closing stock. So you can mark sports material on the payment side. Okay, so there are 4 adjustments. Now we will solve the problem. So take your notebooks. On one page you will write in the books of Satara Sports Club. Comma Satara. Then on the next line, you will write income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay, so you have to indicate debit, credit, and on the debit side, you will write expenditure and 2 amount columns. And on the credit side, income and 2 amount columns. So we now begin with the receipt side. Now first, to balance brought down, cash in hand, cash at bank. Now this is last year's balance, so we have to ignore. So you will write there ignore because it is already shown once in the opening balance sheet. So just ignore, right there, ignore. So we don't have to show this in this year's accounts. Next comes subscription. Now subscription will come, you see this receipt side has to go to the income side or to the liability side of the balance sheet. So take the income side. So on the income side, write by subscription. Now if you see there, 2017-18 is last year. So last year's you have to ignore. Current year 2018-19 44,500, write that amount on the income side by in the inner column by subscription 44,500. And if you see again given to you is 2019-20, that means it is received in advance, pre-received. Now this is for the next year. Now pre-received or received in advance, any income received in advance will be shown on the liability side of the balance sheet. But since we do not have to prepare the balance sheet, we will not show it. So now come to the next. Leave a line for subscription adjustment. Then is entrance fees. I can straight away see there the third adjustment. It says entrance fees are to be treated as revenue income. So when they say revenue income, you will show it on the income side. If the word capitalize is given, then you have to add it to capital fund. So now write by entrance fees 8,000. Next is to donation for building fund. Now, if it had to be given only donation, then we treat it as revenue income. So if they say revenue, it has to come on the income side. But now this is for a specific purpose. It is for the building fund. So it will go in the balance sheet liability side. So we again don't have the balance sheet. So next take interest. So right, interest is an income. So by interest 600. Okay, next given to you is to sale of furniture 4,500 and in bracket it says book value is 8,000. So now furniture has been sold. What was the cost of furniture? Cost of furniture was 8,000. But how much are you receiving? Only 4,500. So you are making a loss. So how much is the loss? 8,000 minus 4,500. So that comes to 3,500. So you're making a loss. Now in final accounts, if there is a loss, we debit it to profit and loss account. But here the income and expenditure is similar to profit and loss account. So we will debit this loss to the expenditure side. So take the debit side, write to loss on sale of furniture. To loss on sale of furniture 3,500. We have finished with the receipt side. Now come to the payment side. Now on the payment side, it is by salaries. Now whatever is on the payment side will go to the expenditure side or to the asset side of the balance sheet. Now by salaries, so write expenditure side to salaries 5,000. Next is by rent including 2000 for 17-18. So write to rent, write in the inner column 5000, leave 3 lines there for adjustment. Then buy electricity charges. So again, expenditure to electricity charges, 1450. Next is buy printing and stationery. So to printing and stationery, 750. Okay, it's given by fixed deposit. Now fixed deposit is an asset, so you will not show it here. It will go on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then is general expenses. So to general expenses. Now again it is said including 500 paid for next year. So write the amount in the inner column 5500. Leave a line. Now you have buy sports material purchased. Now here I had done one small problem on Monday. So it to show how the sport material is purchased or during the year how much is used. So we have to write over there to sports material. Below that write opening stock, add purchases, less closing stock. Now purchases are given, so against purchases you can write 40,000. And last given on the payment side is buy balance carried down, cash in hand, cash at bank. Now this will go in the balance sheet, our closing balance sheet. So right now we don't have to write. Now come to the adjustments. Now first adjustment is regarding outstanding subscription. So come to the income side, see subscription. Now we have done outstanding expenses, most of the expenses outstanding in final accounts. So what did we do there? We added the outstanding expense and then showed it on the liability side. Now this is an outstanding income. So if it is an expense or an income, both outstanding has to be added. So you will add to subscription, right? Add outstanding 4,500. Add it, take it to the outer column 49,000. Now the second effect of this will be shown on the asset side of the balance sheet. It is outstanding income. Now second, outstanding rent for current year amounted to 1,000. Now come to the expenditure side. See where you have written rent. Now rent says including 2,000 for 2017-18. This is given in the payment side. So what is of last year? Okay, outstanding of last year has to be subtracted. So write less outstanding 2,000 outstanding for last year 2,000. So subtract, you get 3,000, and current years you will add, which is given in the adjustment. Add outstanding 1,000, add it and take it to the outer column. So remember students, outstanding for current year has to be added. Outstanding for last year will be subtracted. Third one is entrance fees are to be treated as revenue income, which we have already done. And the last is stock of sports material. Stock of sports material, come to it. Now it says on 1st April 2018, it was 6,000. So right, opening stock 6,000. We have added purchases and closing stock they have given us 14,000. So you will add opening stock plus purchases less closing stock. So 46,000 minus 14,000, which comes to 32,000. Now one adjustment remaining, general expenses. So on the payment side, it says including 500 paid for next year. Next year means it is prepaid. What do we do with prepaid? We subtract. So write less prepaid 500, deduct, take it to the outer column. And you know where we show the second effect, it comes on the asset side. So now we have finished with the adjustments as well. Now we will close income and expenditure account. So similar way like profit and loss account, see which side is greater. So credit side total 57,600. Now total up the debit side. See what total you get on the debit side. You get 51,700. So your credit is greater, deduct your debit. Now this is, the difference is 5,900. This difference is called as surplus. So surplus is just like net profit. So here we call it surplus. So write the total on the credit side. 57,600. This is the greater side. Write the same total on the debit side, 57,600. Then write to surplus 5,900. Okay, so we have got surplus. This surplus has to be added to the capital fund in the balance sheet, but we don't have the balance sheet. So this is a very basic problem we have taken. So now we have finished. We can go on to the next problem. So we will take another simple problem on page 117, problem number 5. So here, Bharatiya Kala Kendra, Sholapur gives you the following information for the year ended on 31st March 2018. Prepare income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. Now they have given you receipts and payments account for the year ending 31st March 2018. So look at the receipt side. We'll go through the receipts. To balance brought down, cash in hand, cash at bank. Then you have to locker rent, to entrance fees, to sale of old newspapers, to receipts from drama, to legacies, to interest on government securities, to miscellaneous receipts. Payments, you have by stationery, by furniture purchased, by investments in government securities, by expenses of drama, by postage, by magazine and newspaper, by salaries, by balance carried down, cash in hand, cash at bank. Look at the adjustments. additional information is given. Legacies are to be capitalized. So tick mark legacies. Outstanding salary rupees 200. To the payment side, outstanding salaries. Then 50% of the entrance fees are to be capitalized. So tick mark entrance fees. Okay, a simple problem. Now take your notebooks. Okay, first write in the books of Bharatiya Kala Kendra, Sholapur. Bharatiya Kala Kendra, Sholapur. On the next line, write income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2018. Draw the format, expenditure, income, two amount columns. Okay, now we begin with the receipt side. Remember, receipts goes to the income side and the liability side. Payments go to the expenditure side and asset side. Again, we are only preparing income and expenditure account. We are not asked to prepare the balance sheet. So we begin with the receipts. To balance brought down cash in hand, cash at bank. Now this is last year's balance, so you will ignore that balance. Next, to locker rent. So write on the income side, buy locker rent. 400. Entrance fees. So write buy entrance fees in the inner column, 2,900. Leave a line for adjustment. Sale of old newspapers. So buy sale of old newspapers. 250. Then you have receipts from drama. So this is an income. Buy receipts from drama. 9,000. Now legacies. Now legacies, they have said, if you see in the adjustment, are to be capitalized. That means you have to add it to capital fund. The full amount will be added. So we don't show it on the income side. Then interest of government securities, it's an income. So write buy interest of government securities. 400. And miscellaneous receipts. So buy miscellaneous receipts. 400. So now come to the payment side. On the payment side is stationery. Now this will come expenditure. So expenditure side, write to stationery. 600. Buy furniture purchase. Now furniture is an asset, so you will show it on the asset side of the balance sheet. Then buy investments in government securities. Again, investments are assets, so on the asset side, so we don't write these. Then buy expenses of drama. So write to expenses of drama. 3,000. Then you have postage. So to postage, 450. Magazine and newspapers. So 2 magazine and newspapers. $600. Salaries. Write 2 salaries. It has an adjustment. So write in the inner column. 2 salaries, 4,400. And last you have leave a line for adjustment. Last is buy balance carried down, cash in hand, cash at bank, which you will show on the asset side of the balance sheet. Now additional information. First one, legacies are to be capitalized, so that will be shown in the balance sheet. Second, outstanding salary. Now you all know what we do with outstanding expense. Add to the expense. So add to salaries, add outstanding 200, add it, take it to the outer column, 4,600. Second effect we don't have to show because it is in the balance sheet. Now the third one, 50% of entrance fees are to be capitalized. Come to the income side. The entrance fees is 2,900. Half of this, 50%, is to be added to capital. So we will show only 50% as revenue income. So write there less 50% capitalized. 50% is 1,450. So outer column also you will get 1,450. Okay. Second effect will be shown in the balance sheet. Now we have finished with the problem. Now we will close income and expenditure account. So again we have to find out which side is greater. So take the totals. Credit side total is 11,900. Do the debit side total. So debit side total is 9,250. So compare which is greater, deduct. The debit is less. So it is a surplus of 2,650. So now write credit side total. 11,900 credit side, write it on the debit side, 11,900. So you're getting a surplus here. So write to surplus 2,650. Surplus means in bracket you can write there excess of income over expenditure. So I hope you have understood. Both simple problems have been done. So you will take this down in your notebooks. We have finished for today. Thank you.